People hear the word restoration and they imagine going backwards, as if restoring ecosystems means undoing development. It doesn't. It means correcting damage before damage becomes permanent. Because the future is not built by ignoring broken systems. It is built by repairing them. Don't scroll. This affects more than you think. Let's make this clear. Ecosystem restoration is not decoration. It is not planting a few trees for a photo and calling it progress. Real restoration means rebuilding the natural systems that support life itself. Let's break it down. Rehabilitating degraded forests, restoring wetlands and river systems, protecting soil health and land productivity, rebuilding habitats for wildlife and biodiversity, recovering natural water cycles. This is not cosmetic. It is structural repair. Now, here is the uncomfortable truth. We are not discussing future risk. We are already living inside the consequences. Let's break it down. Flooding from destroyed wetlands. Heat from disappearing urban trees. Food insecurity from degraded farmland. Water scarcity from damaged watersheds. Biodiversity collapse, reducing ecological resilience. These are not isolated events. They are signs of system failure. And systems do not fix themselves when neglect is the policy. Many people still see restoration as an environmental luxury. It is not. It is economic infrastructure. Let's break it down. Healthy forests protect rainfall systems. Wetlands reduce flood damage costs. Fertile land protects food security. Biodiversity supports agriculture and livelihoods. Green urban systems reduce heat and health burdens. When ecosystems collapse, the economy pays. Restoration is not spending money. It is preventing bigger losses. Here is where good intentions collapse. People want visible action, fast, so they choose symbolic restoration. For example, tree planting without long-term care, projects with no local ownership, restoration plans disconnected from livelihoods, policies built for headlines, not ecosystems. Planting is easy, protection is harder, and survival depends on what happens after the camera leaves. Restoration is not the job of government alone. It requires shared responsibility. Let's break it down. Farmers protecting soil and land health. Communities managing forests and water systems. Businesses reducing ecological damage and funding recovery. Governments enforcing long-term environmental planning. And citizens understanding that restoration is public survival. If restoration is treated like someone else's job, it becomes no one's priority. This requires something governments often avoid: patience. Let's break it down. Long-term land use planning, strong environmental protection laws, consistent funding beyond political cycles, monitoring systems that measure real recovery, policies built for decades, not election seasons. Restoration does not reward impatience. It rewards discipline. At this point, we need a new definition of development. Let me tell you what I mean. Growth must include ecological repair. Infrastructure must work with ecosystems, not against them. Restoration must be part of national planning. Future resilience must matter more than immediate extraction. This is not idealism. It is survival with intelligence. A damaged ecosystem is not just an environmental problem. It is a warning. A warning that the systems supporting life are being treated like they are optional. They are not. We cannot build a stable future on collapsing ecological foundations. Restoration is not about saving nature. It is about saving the conditions that make human life possible. Let me know your opinion in the comments. and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.